Can acrylic paint be used on fabric and still be washable?
Hello, creative souls. Today we're diving into a fascinating topic that's sure to expand your artistic horizons, using acrylic paint on fabric. Can you do it? Will it be washable? Let's unfold these queries and more.
Can you use acrylic paint on fabric?
Absolutely. Acrylic paint can indeed be used on fabric, transforming your everyday materials into vibrant canvases. The secret to this is that acrylic paint, when dry, is flexible. This makes it an excellent choice for fabric projects, from painting t-shirts to customizing tote bags and beyond.
Is acrylic paint washable on fabric?
Here's the catch. While you can use acrylic paint on fabric, it's not inherently washable. If you wash an acrylic painted fabric without any treatment, you'll find the paint peeling and cracking after a few washes. It's disappointing, I know. But don't lose hope just yet. We have a solution.
How to make acrylic paint washable on fabric?
The key to making your acrylic paint washable is to turn it into fabric paint using a textile medium. A textile medium is a liquid that you mix with acrylic paint to convert it into fabric paint. It makes the paint flexible and adherent to the fabric, allowing it to withstand washing without cracking or fading. Here's what you do. 1. Mix your acrylic paint with the textile medium according to the instructions on the bottle. Usually, it's a 1-to-1 ratio. 2. Apply the paint to your fabric as you wish. Let your creativity run wild. 3. Let it dry for the time recommended on the textile medium bottle. 4. Heat set the paint. This can be done by ironing the fabric. Make sure to use a cloth between the iron and painted fabric, or tossing it in a clothes dryer. Heat setting ensures the paint is completely bonded with the fabric.
What else should I know?
Remember, the fabric should be pre-washed and completely dry before painting. Also, always test your paint and textile medium mixture on a scrap piece of fabric first. This way, you can ensure the color and texture are exactly what you want before moving on to the main project. So, there you have it. Acrylic paint can indeed be used on fabric and be washable, provided you use a textile medium and follow the correct steps. It's a simple and fun way to bring a personalized touch to your fabric items. We hope this video has been helpful and inspires you to create amazing fabric art with acrylic paint. Happy painting!